Okay, this video I'm doing on the Perennial Thicket bean. I got these seeds from the Experimental Farm Network. Apparently it's the only Phaseolus that's native to a cold climate, temperate region, which is pretty cool. I kind of want to open these up and take a look, but yeah, apparently they're collected from the wild, from Pennsylvania, and then Eric Toensmeyer, author of the Perennial Vegetables book, had grown them at his place in Massachusetts, and then was able to provide seed for the Experimental Farm Network. And I think the idea is they're edible and they're tasty, but they are very small. They don't shatter though, which means that they stay kind of on the pod, on the vine, and so you don't have to like go and look for the seeds on the ground. But the idea is you can maybe cross these with some domesticated varieties that might be able to have bigger seeds and maybe improve flavor or something along those lines, and you can get the best of both worlds and have a perennial bean for cold climates that comes back year after year. That's something we don't have yet, so this is very exciting. I'm going to be doing video updates on the Perennial Thicket beans, so if you want to stay up to date, hit the subscribe button, and you'll be able to see the next video I do. Thanks for watching.